Hi darlings, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's that magical time of the year when we are all bundling up and switching out our wardrobes, so I'm here to share my fall and winter haul with some purchases I've done in the past 2 months. Think cozy and chic and also stylish essentials, and as you can see we have quite a few boxes to go through together. And my favorite thing about this winter season is the layering. So I picked up some staples that are perfect to wear for the colder weather. And first up, I want to show all the goodies that I got at Viktoria Chan when I visited her showroom in Shanghai. I filmed when I tried on some clothes in my China vlog that I will link to here in case you want to check it out. So first off, I got this chunky knit sweater from Viktoria Chan. It's this oversized, super soft in 70% wool and 30% cashmere, so it's super warm when you wear it. This dark espresso color looks just incredible chic on. And what I love most about it is the neck detail, which can be worn several ways. And my favorite ways are to pull one side back and the other end on the sleeve, and so that it gets this diagonal kind of look. And this look actually make you look slimmer even though the sweater is oversized, which I really think is smart designer detail. And the second way is the way when wearing it with both ends back behind my neck. So this scarf detail actually reminds me of the Totem scarf sweater. However, this design from Viktoria is more unique as well as less pricey. The rib pattern and short model makes you look very elegant, and I really can feel that I will live in this for the rest of this cold season. And next I also got a few tops from Viktoria, and this top actually that I'm wearing right now reminds me of a seashell, and I love how it instantly elevates any outfit. No matter if I would like to combine it with pants, jeans or a skirt, this top makes the whole look much more special, which I really like. And this top of course works for all season, not only for winter and fall. But for the winter and fall, I will definitely wear it with some layering as well. And one of my recent favorites that I'm wearing on repeat is also this Rue Ribbed Tank that I bought from Viktoria. This white top is in 2-piece and has a thinner ribbed structure, and it is made in 50% cotton and 50% wool, so even if it's thin, you feel really warm wearing it. When I tried it on for the first time, I thought something was wrong with it, as this second part only has one hole for one of your arm. So the design is basically a cape-like style, which I think makes anyone wearing this top look extremely exquisite and chic. You can wear each piece separately if you want. However, when you wear them together, the layered look is very put together. And another top I got was this cotton shirt top with a twist. This gives me major haute couture vibe, as it looks fitted and with this structure and the lower neckline with a slightly altered boat neck. This little detail on the shoulder actually gives the impression of a slimmer shoulder width, and it is perfect for people like me who thinks that normal button cotton shirts are too boring and looks too serious. I like how this top fits with high-waisted pants as well as a longer skirt, and this I would also say is an all year round staple that fits any season. However, for winter I think I will layer it with a blazer or tweed jacket. Next, I've got this oh so sexy and gorgeous Nika Halterneck top. It shows the back quite a bit and gives every outfit that hot girl yet classy vibe. I look forward to wear this when we leave for sunnier vacations or go for party nights. It works like a dream with a long black skirt to get a dressy look, but also with a pair of trousers. You can even wear pajamas trousers to get a more chill look. I just love this top, and I'm sure that nobody's giving me a no as an answer when wearing this. Last but not least, I bought the Shelby constructed knit dress, which I think will be a new favorite for casual dinners out, and also as an everyday dress. This dress is perfect to transition from day to night, as it can be dressed up with some bold accessories and the right pair of heels, as well as a dress down with a pair of sneakers and maybe a bigger everyday bag. And the neckline down to the hip with 2 pieces knitted together feels really special and gives such a feminine look. And for me, I have a quite straight body line, and I wouldn't say that I have that much curves, but this design actually gives the illusion that I have a more curvy body, which I really enjoy. Before I continue with the rest of my haul, I want to say that today is a very special day because this video marks my first ever brand PR collaboration. I'm beyond excited to partner with Oleada, a brand that truly aligns with my values of female empowerment. So let's dive into the unboxing of one of their iconic handbags that they kindly sent me. So I received this a few weeks back, and I have saved the unboxing to do it together with you guys. This bag that you get the bag in. Here it is. So I got their anchor bag. It's a really cute bag, which reminds me of the Loro Piana extra pocket bag, which I think is a very simple but yet elegant bag. Let me put the strap on that I received with it. Oh, there's 2 straps. Here is the bag with the strap on. I think it's very cute. It feels like a very easy grab and go bag, and I really love the size because I think that the original extra pocket from Loro Piana is slightly smaller, and I think with this one the capacity is much bigger. So this is the length of the smallest size, and when wearing it as a backpack, it falls down here. I know that Oleada is a brand that might not be very known for many, so I want to just quickly give introduction to the brand itself. So it is a premier work style brand based in New York, and their mission is to empower women to live freely and lead authentically. Oleada creates versatile, practical and luxurious handbags designed to go beyond business as usual, perfect for the living women out on the go. And I actually went in to take their quiz, which they created to understand which bag is most suitable for you. It's just a few questions and it's quite fun actually, and I will link that below. Let's take a closer look on this beauty. It's crafted from Italian genuine leather, which is both waterproof and scratch proof, and for me I chose the color Camel. However, it also exists in ash, cloud, caviar and black, I believe. And this lightweight yet compact design is a bit deceiving because this little bag packs a punch when it comes to capacity. It can hold essentials like phone, wallet, makeup and even an iPad mini. Let's take a peek inside. Inside you see that there's one big compartment, but what I really like is that it has this back pocket, which you can put your keys or cards and have easy access here, especially if you wear it as a backpack. I mean, then you would like to put your valuables in here and not outside in here. I really love how versatile this bag is, and but I will for sure look into a more cold color bag instead of this, because after my recent color analysis in Korea, we concluded that the warm and yellowish color doesn't suit me very well. So I will probably gift this to my mom, because I think this will be an amazing gift for anyone who loves traveling but also needs very nice grab and go versatile bag. And a huge thank you to Oleada for sending this bag and for being part of my journey. If you are looking to invest in a versatile, high quality handbag for yourself or a gift to someone you love, then I will leave a link in the description below for you to check them out to get a 20% discount exclusive for you if you use my code below. Also, for any handbag purchase with my link, you will receive a free silk twilly. I don't make any commission out of this. This code with the gift and discount is only for you guys, because I wanted to get as much benefit as possible for you. So let's continue with the rest of the haul. I can't wait to show you what I got in my recent travel to South Korea. I will start with my Gentle Monster purchase. So for you who doesn't know, Gentle Monster is a South Korean sunglasses brand with ambassadors like Jennie from Blackpink and among others. It is a very quite hyped up brand in South Korea, but I mean I purchased from them for over a decade. I always loved their styles and the quality of their sunglasses. Of all my Gentle Monster sunglasses so far, all of them have held up really, really well. This one I actually bought at the airport in Seoul, and it comes in this really sleek and soft case. It feels like leather, but it isn't. However, it feels really soft and squishy and very nice. And this time I picked up pitch black sunglasses, looking like this. They look really chic on, and I think it fits my round shaped face very well, and they just look very regular, however really classy. I like the sharp edges on the top, and this model is actually also one of their most popular model and one of their classic, and the model name is Heizer, I think, at least it says that. I will double check for you, but it also comes with this authenticity card, and this is valid. This card is valid worldwide, and I believe she said it's guaranteed quality for 2 years from the purchase. And for your information, the price for these glasses at the Incheon airport in Seoul is $188, which is the cheapest price you can get for a Gentle Monster pair of glasses in the whole world. So if you want to get a huge saving, then you should go to the airport in Seoul. Next thing I would like to share with you from my recent Korea trip is some socks that I've been buying from MSMR, and they are the perfect gifts if you want to get your friends and family, because socks never goes wrong, everyone uses it. But these are so special because it's a whole experience when going to the MSMR in South Korea to buy socks. You get to choose your own packaging and your favorite stickers among the sticker wall, and this one is actually a gift from my sister. I won't share it with you here because it will be a surprise for her when she opens later on, but I will share with you the socks that I bought for myself, and basically you also got to choose a gift bag for your purchases. MSMR. I just loved the cute design. I chose these two packaging. I chose these stickers. This one was also really, really cute. When we entered the flagship store, we were offered tea and coffee and fruits, and to sit down to see all the designs. Then we got a bag to go around in the store to pick the socks we loved. All in all, the customer service made the whole experience really special. Next, I want to share with you a pair of earrings I bought on the recent Black Friday, and I just want to share them with you because I think they are so beautiful. So pretty. And last but not least, I want to show about one recent purchase I did at Hermes. So this was a quite impulsive buy, and I got it as I saw my essay in the boutique, and we started to chat, and I wondered about my wish list bag, which I put last year on the wish list. For you who doesn't know, I have a dedicated video about how I managed to put my wish list for a Birkin bag here, and I asked her about how it was going, and she told me that I have to renew it now as it has been 1 year, and that we need to book a time again during next year in January or February. So yeah, I feel quite hesitant that I will actually manage to get the bag, because even after 1 year I haven't been able to secure any bags. And now it's going to be another year, and next year will probably be another increase. So I'm actually wondering if this is all really worth it. However, I got something as an early birthday gift for myself. Let's unbox it together. So I got a new cashmere scarf, and I will share it with you. It's a bit darker, however I really love the burgundy color, as I think it really suits me. Basically I'm thinking that this will be perfect for the rest of the winter. Something sleek and warm, and I actually don't have any cashmere scarf in a darker color like this, so I think it's suited really well. So it's very subtle. I mean, you wouldn't know that it's from Hermes if you don't look closely. It says Hermes with a very subtle broderie here. I mean, if you didn't know, you wouldn't know that this is a designer scarf. This one is actually from the men's department, I believe, where I feel like it's quite unisex. I think it's also quite versatile because it's a bit wider, so you can also wear it as a casual scarf with the rest of your outfit if you are out and just in the room and it feels a little bit cold. I think it will be quite useful for me. Anyway, thank you so much for spending some of your time with me on this haul, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to follow me along and see more content like this and about bag reviews and my life here in Stockholm, please consider subscribing down below. And I will leave my promotion codes and all the links that I can find regarding my items that I showed down below in the description box. Don't forget to check out the Oleada's quiz and check out the anchor bag down below. See you soon. Bye bye.